Hey Canva creatives! If you're looking to level up your profile game, whether it's for LinkedIn, a job hunt, or just a more polished social look, this one's for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your everyday selfie into a professional headshot made especially with women in mind. And we're doing it all in Canva. All right, let's dive in. First things first, upload your selfie to Canva. Try to pick a photo where you're facing the camera directly with a nice posture. Trust me, this little detail will really help the final result look realistic. Once your image is on the canvas, click on it, then hit Edit. From there, head over to Magic Studio and choose Magic Edit. Now here comes the fun part. Grab the magic brush and highlight the outfit area you want to change. In my case, I'm brushing over this white blouse with the colorful teardrop pattern. Quick tip, if you're aiming for a professional suit, make sure to include the neck area in your selection. It makes the final look way more natural. Now let's tell Canva what we want. In the prompt box, type Create Interview-Ready Outfit with a Formal Suit for Female. Click Generate and give it a few seconds. Canva will show you 4 different versions. Don't love them? No worries. Just click Generate again until you find the one. In this run, I got some amazing results, and I'm going with this clean, elegant version without a tie. Super sleek, right? Once you're happy with your new look, hit Download, save it as a PNG, and boom, you're ready to rock a polished professional headshot. Perfect for LinkedIn, your portfolio, or any space where first impressions count. And that's it. Let me know in the comments what kind of Canva tricks you want to see next. Whether it's design, branding, or social media hacks, I've got you covered. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you never miss out on future tutorials. See you in the next one.